Hey, what's up everybody, this is Pankaj here, and in this video I will show you how to earn $100 a day online promoting one weird product with free traffic without spending a single dime on ads, guys. So guys, if you are looking for how to earn $100 a day online or how to make $100 a day online, then guys, this video is for you guys. In this video I'll show you exactly how to earn $100 a day online promoting one weird product with free traffic without spending a single dime on ads, guys. Right guys? So guys, let I show you that how to earn $100 a day online, right? So guys, before telling you this, let I show you some of the results that I have got just by promoting that one weird product. So guys, you can see that these are my results where I have made $100, right? 24th June I have made, right, and 1st June I have made $207, right, 0.60 cent, and yes, on 13th June I have made $138, 0.80 cent, and yes, on 12 and 11 I have made $100 guys. So guys, you can see that I have made $100 just by promoting this one weird product, guys. So guys, now you might be thinking, hey, show me how to earn $100 a day online. What are the steps, guys? So guys, let I show you what you need to do. So guys, very first thing that you need to do, that you have to pick a product in your niche or in your market or in your subject where you have a kind of interest or passion, right? And that very product pays you $100 in commission, guys. That's it, guys. So here, guys, you might be just thinking what I'm talking about. So guys, it's a affiliate marketing business model that I'm talking about. Here, what you do, guys, you just pick someone else's product or any company's product, right? And what you do, you just apply to their affiliate program, and after accepting to their affiliate program, you pick your product, and yes, you also select your link, or you can say you pick your affiliate link and you start promoting that product in the market like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, right? And when somebody buys that very product through your link, you make commission, guys. Right, guys? So guys, here what you need to do, just pick a product in your niche that pays $100 in commission. So guys, as in my case, it is one funnel away challenge, guys. Yes, this is the weird product that I'm talking about, guys. Guys, that product pays me $100 in commission when somebody register for one funnel away challenge, guys. It's a 30 days training where you will learn how to start your online business step by step, guys, right? And in this training, there are 3 coaches, world-top 3 coaches. They are going to teach you what you need to do to start your online business, guys. And coaches are like Russell Brunson, Stephen Larson, and Julie Stern, guys. You know that Russell Brunson, he has more than 15 years of experience, guys. So he knows what works and what doesn't, guys. So it's a training, guys, that I'm promoting, guys. So whenever somebody register for one funnel away challenge, I make commission in $100, guys, right? So you can see that, guys, I have made $3,600, guys, just by promoting this one funnel away challenge, guys. So this is the product that I'm talking about. This is my product that you need to promote, guys, if you want to make or if you want to earn $100 a day online, right? So guys, for that, what we need to do, we just need to pick our affiliate link, right? And then what we need to do, guys, we need to create a tracking link so that we can track our campaign, so that we can track the clicks, sales, leads, like from where we are getting traffic, right? So it's very, very important, guys, to track your campaign, guys, right? So yes, you can also use Bitly, guys, through which you can shorten your affiliate link, right? So guys, now you can see that this is my tracking link, guys, right? After picking my affiliate link, what I did, guys, right? I just created my tracking link. So this is my tracking link, right? After creating this tracking link through ClickMagick. So this is the software that I'm using to create my tracking link, right? So and now you can see this is my affiliate URL, right? So this is my, you can say this is my affiliate link, right? So now this is my final link that I need to promote, right? So now after creating my tracking link, then what I need to do, guys, you need to create a 2-step funnel having landing page and bridge page offering bonuses just to stand out from the competition, right? So guys, let I show you. So that you can see that, guys, this is the landing page, right? Through which I'm promoting my one weird product, that is one funnel away challenge, right? So this is my landing page that I created using Clickfunnels, guys. Clickfunnels is a software through which we can create a professional looking funnel, professional looking landing page, and thank you page, bridge page. Even we can create membership site funnel, product launch funnel, webinar funnel. So guys, yeah, this is the software that I'm using. So yes, if you want, you can use too, guys, right? So yes, you can see that this is my landing page, and now this is my bridge page, guys, right? Or you can say this is my thank you page, where what I'm doing, guys, in a video I'm telling about the product, right? That is one funnel away challenge, that why they need that very product, right? How this product gonna help them, right, to start their online business, right? And here I'm also telling about the story that why they need, how they need, right? And yes, like how they can get this product, right? And I'm also telling about, hey, if you join this one funnel level challenge, then yes, I will give you my bonuses down below. There is a link, go and just join for one funnel level challenge, and yes, you can also check the details of my bonuses, right? So this is my bridge page. So guys, what we did, guys, we did like first one, what we did, guys, we just pick our product in our niche, right? And then as in our case, it is one funnel level challenge. Then what we did, we just pick our affiliate link, and then we created our tracking link, right, just to track our campaign. And after that, we, you can see this is my tracking link, right? After that, we created 2 steps funnel having landing page and bridge page offering our bonuses, right? And yeah, you can see this is my landing page and this is my bridge page, right? And on that page, I'm offering my bonuses, right? And then, guys, what we need to do, we need to promote that funnel on Facebook and YouTube, guys. And you know that, guys, Facebook is free, right? As well as YouTube is also free, guys, right? So what you need to do, guys, just what I did, I created a my Facebook profile funnel, guys. You can see that, guys, on my Facebook profile, I just you can say upload a banner, right, on my profile, and down below my profile, I just, you can see that, okay, can you see that, guys? So this is my link, guys, right? Can you see that, guys? This is my tracking link. So this is the link of my funnel, guys, that I'm promoting, where I'm promoting one funnel away challenge, right? So this thing you can do that, right? And now next one, you can see on YouTube. So this is my YouTube channel, guys, and through which what I'm doing, guys, I'm promoting one funnel away challenge, guys. You can see in featured post what I did, guys, I just created a review video where I have reviewed about one funnel away challenge, that showing everything, that what is the price of that one funnel away challenge, and why they need, how they are going to get, right, what they will get. So I just created a review post on my YouTube channel, and just I made it a featured post, right? So when somebody lands on my YouTube channel, then he will immediately will see my this review post, and definitely, guys, when he will watch, then if he or she goes in the description area, there I have put my affiliate link, or you can say there I have put my funnel link. You can see that, guys, right? It's my link, right? This one is my link, So guys, now you know how to earn $100 a day online, guys, right? Yes, if you want my this exact same funnel, guys, then yes, down below I'm just putting my sale funnel, you can say sale funnel link, so that you can download this exact same funnel inside your ClickFunnels account, guys. So you don't have to create landing page or thank you page. I have done everything, guys. So down below there is a link that you can download inside your ClickFunnels account, guys. So it's done for you, guys. And yes, I have showed you the way how to promote, right? That funnel. You can promote it on Facebook by creating your Facebook profile funnel just on your featured photo area, or you can say on your profile area. Put a banner of one funnel level challenge, right? And down below put your link of funnel, guys, right? Or you can also put your direct link of affiliate link of your one funnel level challenge, right? So it's up to you, guys, right? And now yes, another one, you can just go and create your own YouTube channel, and yes, you can create a review video about one funnel level challenge, and you can just post that review video as one of your featured posts. So whenever somebody lands on your YouTube channel, immediately they will see your first video, and that is your review video of one funnel level challenge. So guys, this is how you earn $100 a day online, guys, right? If somebody buys through your link, definitely that you will be making $100 a day online, guys. Right, guys? And is there anything? Yeah, I have just covered everything, right? So yes, guys, let I show you that how it looks like, right? You can see that, guys, this is my account, right? And this is the link, guys, that this is my affiliate link, right? You can see, and yep, you can see that, guys, this is the link that I have created. You can see tracking link, guys, right, that I'm talking about, right? And you can see there are 112 conversions, guys, right? And 1,794 clicks, guys. And out of that, guys, how much I made? I made $3,600, right? And yes, this is my YouTube channel, right? You can see, right? And this is my affiliate link, guys, right? And now you can see, guys, this is my profile. You can see, right? And here I have just put out my link, right? If somebody clicks on that, now you can see that this is my name and email address. So somebody put his name and email address, then he will be taken to my thank you page, where what I'm doing is I'm offering one funnel challenge, right? So you can see that, right? So this is my affiliate link, right? You can see, right? And now you can see these are the bonuses, guys, that I am giving away if somebody joins one funnel level challenge through my link, my coaching, my personal support for life, my training, where I have revealed how I made $1,000, right? Free book, that is DotComSecrets book, Expert Secrets book, Marketing Secrets Black book, Funnel Hacker cookbook, right? So these are the books that I'm giving away for free, guys, right? And yeah, my personal coaching call recording with Rachel Leslie, right? And my personal coaching recording call with Jacob Carris, who is 6-figure entrepreneur, right? My you can say Clickfunnels training, when you will learn how to create landing page, thank you page, funnel, sales funnel, membership site funnel. So yeah, this is the training, video training, guys, right? 10K case study, my exact same funnel that I'm offering, that I'm also giving you to, guys, right? If you want, and yes, down below I'm just putting the link of my sales funnel link, right, through which I have made $2,800, so $800, right? And along with, I'm also offering some other funnels, right? My email files, my best 14 14 best affiliate program, right? My free method to promote affiliate of my, you can say, free traffic to get uh, to your affiliate of, right? It's a free training, right? And now this is another my strategy to promote affiliate of on Facebook, right? It's a free training, and yep, and how to promote on YouTube doing on-page SEO. So it's another training that I'm giving away for free, and how to create YouTube channel. So this is another training that I'm giving away for free, and how to promote on Instagram. This is another training that I'm giving away for free if somebody joins one funnel away challenge to my link, right? And yes, recently I have added this one, how to create lead magnet. Guys, you can see that, guys, right? Lead magnet is something that we give away for free in exchange of email address, guide, right? Or any other information that we want. So you can see, guys, this is the training that I'm giving away for free. So this is my lead magnet, guys. So here, right, this is the training that I have revealed that how to create your own lead magnet, right? So yes, if you are an affiliate marketer and don't know how to create your own lead magnet, then yes, this training reveals everything that how to create your lead magnet. So guys, these are the bonuses that I'm giving away on my thank you page, just to stand out from the competition, just to give extra reason to buy from me, right guys? So guys, now you know how to make or how to earn $100 a day online, guys, right? So yep, I'm just down below, I'm just putting the link of my funnel. If you want, you can just get that funnel inside your Clickfunnels account, and yes, you can start promoting that funnel on Facebook or YouTube, guys. So it's up to you, guys, right? So that you can make $100 a day online, right guys? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you. Have a nice day. And yes, guys, if you like this video, please do like, share, and comment. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because on alternate day basis I put out some great training that is related to affiliate marketing. So yes, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then yes, this YouTube channel is for you guys, right? So yes, go and subscribe to my channel, right guys? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day.